Yo, hey, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Ty back with another banger. Yo, so today, right? Today we're gonna be going on to Forex account flipping, right? And then Forex account growth. Now, we're going to talk about the difference between both. Okay, you're going to be able to find your trading style and really just reflect with yourself when you're watching this. So then the question I want to start off by asking you is, which one are you? Would you rather flip your account or would you rather grow your account? Are you looking for short-term results or are you looking for long-term results? What I want you to do right now is just spam that in the chat. Well, first like this video and then just spam your answer in the chat. You know, which type of trader are you or what type of results are you looking for? So we're going to start talking about Forex account flipping first, and then we're going to go into growth, right? So account flipping, here's the qualities that you're going to need. Obviously, you're going to need to have some know-how on how to trade, okay? Do some people get lucky and flip an account? Yeah, all the time, right? But statistically, okay, and you can look this up on Google or whatever, you know, Yahoo or wherever you look up your information, okay? Statistically, 90% of Forex traders fail. So if there's so many successful Forex traders, right? And that's what everybody's saying. They're all successful now, right? So if there's so many successful Forex traders, you know, speaking and saying that they're successful, then how come the statistics don't reflect that? Well, a lot of people are giving their money right back to the market after quote on flipping an account because they just don't know when to stop. So some qualities that you need to have and things that you need to do if you're going to attempt that feat, and if you want to, you know, adapt that as a trading style, the style of trading that would be called is called scalping. Okay. So when you're scalping, you're looking at like the 5 beta chart, 50, you know, and making your decisions from there. Well, you're flipping, you're getting in, you're making your money and you're bouncing, right? And what I mean is bouncing is, you know, you may be bouncing, not leaving the market, but you're bouncing to that next level. Okay, kind of like the stacker game at the arcade. Okay, so when you're flipping an account, you're exposing yourself to extreme risk. Usually you're over leveraging an account, and then I mean, shit, it's like a fucking video game. You know what I mean? So you're having fun just moving that money, you know, taking bigger risks, okay, taking bigger shots. You're coming to the game, you're not shooting free throws like it's nobody on the court. You're just taking straight three-pointers. You're trying to just drain, you feel me, every single shot that you can put up, okay, when you're going ahead and doing those account flips and stuff like that. But the mentality, right, the mentality, if you want to go ahead and do that, is you need to know fucking it's going to be extreme pressure. And what I mean by extreme pressure is like, that's not the way to trade. You don't see anybody, you know, wealthy off of, oh, I just gambled away my funds. Like, nah, they over time, you know, accrue meaning grow, right, grew their wealth. Okay, so you can grow your wealth over time if you're patient and you allow your wealth to grow over time. But like I said, a lot of people love this scalping. They got the microwave mentality. They want to turn fucking, you feel me, $50 into $5 million within 1 year, and if it doesn't happen in 2 months, then they're quitting. And obviously Forex is a scam, and then they're moving on. But then they came in with the mindset of, oh, I'm just trying to make some quick money. Okay, Mr. Quick Money, well, go get a fucking job then. I'm just saying, right? You come to this game thinking you about to make some quick money, and you'll end up giving that quick money right to your broker. So we're going to talk about the approach, as in, you know, when you're finally taking these trades and you finally get on you know, on the field and stuff like that. So the approach anxiety. So approach anxiety is this, you know, and a lot of people when they're growing accounts or flipping accounts, you know, they have this anxiety where it's like they just can't push the fucking button. You know, they get on these live accounts and, you know, it's not the same as a demo account. This is like real money now. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's real money on the line. You really have to risk it. And if you lose, oh shit, I just lost some real money, right? So they got approach anxiety. They see their trade, you see the trade, and it's like, oh, well, you know, it looks like my opportunity. Maybe it's my opportunity. They got it looked like the maybe, shoulda, coulda, woulda, but whatever it is, you got approach anxiety and you don't take the shot. Fucking, there's a lot of men that have approach anxiety as well, just with life in general, you know, to their goals. Oh man, she look good, but then you won't approach her. You know what I'm saying? Approach anxiety is just, that's something that you got to work on within yourself. And you know what a lot of people want to tell you about this Forex shit is, okay, so we can all fucking read, right? Cool. Now it's the personal development. It's the getting out of your own way that's going to get you to that next level. Can you sit around and wait for your money? Can you sit around and wait for the trade to develop? Can you sit around and wait for the opportunity before you can even move? That's where your money, your real bread is going to come in, and your wealth is going to start accumulating in your patience. So if you don't have patience, it's going to be really hard to get to that next level, to grow and to do the things that you want to do, because you're just not patient. You got this microwave mentality and you think it's supposed to just happen tomorrow. And if that was the case, then everyone would be doing this shit, right? And I think, like I said, I think everybody can and should be, reading is fundamental. Just like learning how to read, for sure, you need to learn these charts. But let's talk about societal pressure too. So now you got societal pressure kicking in while you're trying to, approach the game. So then it will force you kind of to have a, flipping mentality, because, oh, this guy got this. You're looking at material shit, you know what I'm saying? And never really once do people really ask, like, what do these people really do for this shit? You know what I'm saying? Some of the stuff that people do for this shit, you wouldn't even want to do that. So that's not even the path you would want to follow. You just want to keep doing what you was doing. Trust me. Right? But the societal pressure of you looking this way and looking that way, what you need to do is get off social media. What you need to do is get off the damn internet. Shit, turn you on a damn audio podcast or something and just listen, you know what I'm saying, to, successful stuff to develop your brain, so you're not paying attention to nothing that's going on around, and you can focus on yourself. So what, Becky got a fucking house? So what, so-and-so got a car? So what, whoever got new whatever? Like, who gives a fuck? Who cares? Is it on you though? And if you want the same thing, then you need to go focus on yourself. Straight up. So that's how you go ahead and deal with those societal pressures of getting in the market thinking, oh, I gotta hurry up and run this shit up. All right, run it up then. You know what I'm saying? And have fun. But I'm telling you, over time, gains over time, you'll be able to gain over years. Okay? So results, right? I got these all down to the little joints. So, you know what I'm saying? This is how I be making the videos to make it easy and I'll get on track. So results. So the results for flipping an account, obviously, you're going to be seeing some amazing results. But if you look at Forex from a way of, an investment standpoint, as with, this is a savings account that can grow and potentially grow money over years for you, then you look at how much percentages an actual savings account is bringing back, and you'll see that the percentage that you will make just doing the bare minimum in Forex, it's still more than what the banks will give you for having your money sit into account and accumulating interest throughout the entire year. So still, it's the best type of savings account if you could just get in and just do a little bit. You're gonna have to expose yourself to a little bit of risk if you want to make a little bit of money in life in general. That's just what it is. All right. So what to expect? So what to expect from flipping accounts? Obviously, speed. You're gonna have some fast in and outs. You're clipping them joints. You're clipping those strays fast. You're over leveraging. That's what comes with flipping an account. With growing an account, you won't be over leveraging. You're coming in, you're hitting your daily goals, and you're just leaving the market. You'll come back tomorrow. Some days you won't even have to trade every day because, oh shit, I didn't hit my goal, so I hit my quota for the week, or I hit my quota. I'm not gonna trade until next week. It's gonna allow you so many different options and opportunities to just have freedom to get to that next level. You know what I'm saying? Freedom to do whatever it is that you want to do. Freedom to just tell fucking people no. Oh, do you want to do? I don't feel like doing that shit today. Oh, do this for what? I make my own money. I don't need your bread, right? That freedom, okay? When you're growing your account, right? So now we talk about learning from your losses. So a lot of people get stuck in a losing trade, and that's like the end all be all trade for them. But the market is always like neutral. If you lose, it's really you had to press the button. You had to get in on the wrong direction. You got in too early, or you got in too late. Okay, so it's really a great time to reflect on, what you did wrong. How do you truly feel? Were you winning previously to your loss? You got to really start asking yourself these questions, because if you want to be successful in Forex, it's going to be a reflection of your life. There's many areas of your life that, you'll have a chance to improve. And like I said, this is probably the biggest one, because it has a lot to do with your brain memory, your personal development. What books are you reading? What are you doing in your extracurricular time? How are you spending your time? Are you just scrolling on fucking Instagram? Okay, well, that's why you're not successful. Are you tapping in with anybody? Are you reaching out? There's people who are successful, wildly successful. You hit them up. Are you hitting them up? Are you trying to find yourself a mentor? Are you trying to find yourself somebody who can take you to that next level? Life is like a ladder. You feel me? So keep grinding. you know. But still, even if you don't even have access to all that, you can learn from your own mistakes. You can learn from, okay, damn, you know, if you keep driving down this street and hitting a fucking pothole, you already know it's a pothole right there. So next time when I drive down the street, I'm and keep it moving. Simple. Okay. We already talked about getting off social media, but we talk about again. So social media, right? You can look at you can create yourself a page where all you look at is positive self quotes and shit, just to build yourself up. You know what I mean? Build yourself up. Look at life quotes. Look at all type of stuff. If you are going to use social media, you know what I'm saying. But when I'm saying get off is when you're using it and it's not you're not using it for anything that's gonna make you any bread, take you to the next level, or you know, business purposes or anything of that matter. I'm talking about just using. You're just using, just a fucking user. Just scroll, tap, 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 scroll, tap, tap, scroll. Like, all right, you just wasting time. When you could just be studying, you could be scrolling through your damn charts, back testing. You know what I'm saying? You could be scrolling through, you know, finance statements, scrolling through what's the hottest company in whatever industry that you like, and you know, study what they do. There's so much outside things that you could be doing to take your finance game to another level. If you're just sitting around fucking lazy, you're gonna always get outworked by the people who are studying, the people who are tapped in. You feel me? All right. The next thing, like I said, get all those charts. Get all those charts. Increase your chart. Before you could decrease your chart time, you need to increase your chart time. Okay, you don't know this shit. You keep using. Okay, you need to be on these charts studying. All right, why is it moving like this? Why does it move like that at that time of the day, but it doesn't move like, you know, this particular way at this time of the day? Okay, on this day, it's Wednesday. Why does it move differently on Wednesday than it moves on Friday? Why is the volume differently? What are people doing? It's market behaviors, you know, market science. Start really tapping into the people. Fucking make books, right, about Forex that you can go out there and read. Books, whole books that you can read, right? You know, one of my favorite books is not a Forex book, but it's an investing book, The Intelligent Investor. And who put me onto that book was Warren Buffett. I said, shit, if Warren Buffett was able to become wildly successful, then who the fuck was his mentor? And then you Google it. Who's Warren Buffett's mentor? Boom, Benjamin Graham. He took his class. They talk about him taking this class and how Warren used to show up and get, you know, mentorship or coaching, or, you know, however, whatever you would call it when, you know, the student, you know, shows up for the teacher after class and stuff, you know, for helping. He had his book at that time as well, you know, so shit. It just made me be like, okay, well, maybe this is the one I need to read. This Warren Buffett we talk about that could follow success. Success leaves clues. You know what I mean? Spend your time studying the greats. There are people who are great at what they do. Study what they do. Study what they read. Study what they're currently reading. You feel me? I just did a video on Kobe, and you know, he had asked. I think it was with Jim Cramer. He had asked them. They asked him and they said, well, what do you do in your spare time? And he said, well, I reach out to other CEOs and I ask questions and stuff. And, you know, some of the questions that he said that he asked were, what is your book list? Okay, yeah, you made all this money. What the fuck are you putting in your mind though? What are you reading? I need to know if we could be on that same accord. You know what I mean? And that was the dope part about that. All right, so then the next one is, you know, successful traders really don't try too hard. You think the more you work in this market, the more results you're gonna see. And the crazy part is that you're not doing any work in this shit. You are putting your little ticket in, and the market is moving up or down into whichever direction either that you chose or did not choose. Right? What work are we truly doing? You have to be comfortable with allowing your money to work for you. So many people are, you know, grow up with the term that you need to go to work for money because that's, you know, how we were raised. Growing up, getting up and going to work for money, getting up and going to work for money. It was never get up and then make your money work for you. Get up and then make your money work for you. That's an entirely different mindset. Like, you're talking about, we're going through years of fucking rewiring and reprogramming, deprogramming with DE, and then reprogramming like RE, you feel me, restarting, you know what I'm saying, to start again, to start over, to do it again, and D, you know, to you know, compress it, deprogram, to forget, you know what I'm saying? So shit, that's what you're gonna need if you really want to go to the next level in this game. Like, the finance game is much bigger than, you know, a few YouTube videos and stuff like that. And yeah, you can learn how to read, right, by using YouTube videos and things like that. But I would say go start listening to audiobooks. You know what I mean? Actually, like, listening to the book is dope. you know, and I feel like that's dope. But the thing is, you have a muscle right here, and I mean, so many people think about all the other muscles on our body, but the brain muscle is the one that's keeping you functioning, you know what I'm saying? So, well, the brain muscle and the heart muscle, so take care of those and they'll take care of you. You know, health is wealth. So what are you putting in your brain? What are you putting in your body? Oh, you didn't think that shit mattered. But it's your boy Ty, you know what I'm saying? We'll do more videos and shit like this. I don't know, I like doing videos like this, where people could really just put this on, you know, going with their day and just be listening and going and doing their thug, you know, keep it popping like that. But once again, it's your boy Ty. Thank you for rocking with me. We're almost at that 100K. We're about to have a big ass fucking party. You guys know I like to have offline stuff, so definitely come offline and come rock with us. But once again, I'll see you guys. Peace.